Well, at this hour outside, it's actually pretty nice. Skies are mostly clear. We've knocked out the humidity in most of the area, and it feels pretty comfortable outside. Open window weather this evening. Off to the southeast, though, that's where we still find that cold front that zipped across the area earlier today. It's stalling right now over northern Arkansas and southeast Missouri, and that's why we still find a corridor of showers in that zone. And it looks like near that front, and maybe just on the north side of that front, later tonight, after midnight, we're probably going to find additional thunderstorms breaking out from about the Mountain View area northeast across Poplar Bluff. And one or two of these storms could become severe, produce some hail possibly. That activity is going to push off to the east. We wake up tomorrow morning to clear and quiet weather, but it's not going to stay that way. This is a rapidly evolving weather scenario. I think while it starts off clear and quiet, looks like later in the morning as that warm front pushes north into southern Missouri, it's going to bring with it much more humid air, and that's going to drive up instability levels. And as a cold front comes in from the west and interacts with the western end of that warm front, that may provide the focus for thunderstorms to develop from. So it looks like southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas, that's going to be the start point, I think, for active weather Friday morning. And then as that area of thunderstorms pushes east across southern Missouri and across that very unstable environment, they will likely become severe and remain severe. The Storm Prediction Center does have a moderate risk for severe weather for our eastern counties, but I think these thunderstorms will develop very quickly, and it won't take long before they start producing severe weather. So I expect some severe weather over southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas. 10 o'clock tomorrow morning looks like this. I think we probably by that point already have a cluster of thunderstorms. That activity will push east, approaching Highway 65 by late morning, moving across Highway 65, approaching Highway 63 around noon tomorrow. And then by early afternoon, it's moving through our eastern counties. Now, this first wave, this morning wave, if it happens, it will have an impact on thunderstorm potential in the afternoon. It doesn't bring it down to zero, but it makes it harder for storms to develop along the cold front. So they'll be more spotty in nature, but they still could produce severe weather. If we don't see that morning round of thunderstorms and storms wait till the afternoon to develop along the cold front, those storms will likely become severe and produce severe weather. So either way, I think parts of our area will have to contend with some severe weather on Friday. Looks like the severe weather risk should come to an end sometime around 6 to 7 o'clock tomorrow evening for our area. I think the main severe weather mode with tomorrow's storms will be large hail, possibly very large hail. But if we do see a cluster of storms in the morning, ride that warm front east across the area, watch for that to produce damaging winds across a broad area. It wouldn't be that unlike what we saw a few weeks ago along I-44 into the Springfield area. Also, these storms could produce a few tornadoes. So that's also going to be a possibility. But I think hail and wind are going to be the primary modes. Down into the 50s tonight for lows. Highs tomorrow back in the 80s. Our weekend starts quiet. Comfortable too. 55 for morning low on Saturday, 81 for the high. Showers and storms will become possible again Saturday night into Sunday morning as tomorrow's cold front lifts back to the north as a warm front. And it looks like it will wobble through the area Sunday through Monday with another cold front pushing through on Tuesday. And it looks like as that front wobbles back to the north, it will bring high instability air back into the area. We're also going to have a lot of wind energy in play over the region Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And with those frontal boundaries, all that adds up to a daily risk of thunderstorms. And I would guess that some of those thunderstorms will produce severe weather on Sunday, on Monday, and again on Tuesday. Looks like we will get back to quiet weather Wednesday of next week, and that should stick around probably through the remainder of next week.
All right. Our question of the day has been, what's your ideal thermostat